Hi friends, my name is Achyut and I am from Isaac. So today in this class, we will solve this problem. So let us read the problem statement. So you will be given a string as an output. So in this class, we will learn about string. So if the length of the string is greater than or equal to 4, then print the character at third index, or otherwise print small string. So example is if the input string is A, B, C, D, E, F. So if the input string is A, B, C, D, E, F, so then we have to print D. So D is the third index. So I will tell what is indexes. So, so let us consider a string. As I told yesterday, so Achyut is a string. So here A is 0 and T is 1, C is 2, H is 3, Y is 4, U is 5, T is 6. So this is the index. So index means starts with 0, eighth index is 0, teeth index is 1, seeth index is 2, H index is 3, Y index is 4, U index is 5, T index is 6. So I hope I understand what is indexes. So let us write the program. So import java dot util dot star. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot. So like we have to take string. So as we know, string is a data type and str is equal to sc dot next line. Sc dot next line. So we have to print if the length of the string is greater than or equal to 4. So if str, so whatever the user will give, that input will be stored into the str variable. So that's why I'm comparing in the if statement. So if str is greater than or equal str dot length, so it will tell the so length method will tell the count. So like str dot length will tell how many characters are there in the string. So it's greater than or equal to 4. So then we have to print the third index. System dot out dot println str dot. So str dot str dot caret. So caret. So we have to print third index. So here, what is the third index? Let's see here. So what is the third index here? H. So H is the third index. So let us comment this. So let us give the index 3. I hope you understand. A simple program. So like we are giving the string, a simple string. If that string length is greater than or equal to 4, then we have to print the third index character. Third index character. And every time the index starts with 0. So most of the persons will do mistakes. Like they will think it will start from 1, but it will start from 0. I hope you understand. So else we have to print small string system dot out dot println small string. So let us explain this program. So first of all, I have taken the scanner class. So, and after that, we have taken the string. So if the string length is greater than or equal to 4, then we have to print str dot caret 3. Like we have to print the third index character. Or otherwise, we have to print small string. So let us run the program. So let us take the Achyut. It's the string. So what is this third index? Is h. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So h will be the third index. Third index will be the output. I hope you understand. So like we have checked, right? Like if that string length is greater than or equal to 4 only, then only we have to print the third index character. Or otherwise, like for suppose consider off. So off is less than the characters which is equal to 4. Like if that string length is greater than 4 is it is greater than 4 only, we have to print the third index, or otherwise we have to print the small string. So what will be the output? The user input is less than 4. So the output should be small string. So let us run the program again and we'll check off. So what will be the output? Small string. I hope you understand why the small string is coming, because if the string length, the user input, which is the length which is less than 4 only, then only we will print the small string, or otherwise we will print. So we have print the small string. So I hope you understand this program. Uh, if you like this video, please like it, and please share it to your friends so that they can get benefited. And please ring the bell icon so whenever I post in the YouTube, you'll get the notification. Thank you. Thank you, man. Jai Hind.